Hey guys, it's your girl Celia, and good morning from Jamaica. Wagwan. Anyway, today I'm looking after some callaloo for breakfast. I'm gonna have callaloo and bread. Yep, this is a big Jamaican Sunday morning breakfast meal or recipe. So I've gone ahead and stripped and washed my callaloo in salt water to get rid of any bacteria, any worms or stuff that might be on it. So you can also soak it for like 5 minutes in the salt water. That will help also ensure that you get rid of all the worms. Yeah. So what I have in here is my tomatoes. I have a medium-sized tomatoes, but this is not a lot of callaloo because they're just doing this for like 3 people. So I have my tomatoes. I have half a onion. That's like a medium onion. And I have my Scotch bonnet pepper. Of course, if you guys have been following my video, you know I don't cook without my Scotch bonnet pepper. And a Scotch bonnet pepper is optional. Depends on if you like spicy food or not. I love spicy food. And I have half a cucumber diced inside here, which is this is a cucumber or cucumber as you guys would call it. So I've also sprinkled this with some salt and of course my jerk seasoning. You guys know I don't leave out my jerk seasoning. I use my jerk seasoning in almost every meal I cook. Yep. So that's that. I've put my pot on to heat and I'm just gonna add a piece of butter to that. So I'm trying to get this out. You guys bear with me. So there's my butter. So this is my smaller Dutch, or my Dutch pot. So I'm not really cooking a lot of callaloo. What we do actually, we steam callaloo. That's what we do. Yep. So it's not cooking, steaming, because you don't want to overdo it. You want to keep some of that iron in it and stuff. Yeah. So I'm ready to add my callaloo to this now. Hopefully I can do this with my one hand and not throw it away. Oh, come on now. So I'm in a country and western mood this morning. It's Sunday morning here in Jamaica. Actually breakfast time is kind of gone because it's like 10:30 right now. But I've been caught up with some stuff, so breakfast will be late. Usually I have breakfast at around 8, 9. And cook some green bananas and dumpling and some mackerel, and or you can also have this callaloo with dumpling and bananas and yams and all that good Jamaican stuff. But since we're going to be cooking a big Sunday dinner, just some callaloo with a few slices of bread, and we're good to go. So I don't even have to stir this much. What I want to do for now, my flames are on low, and that's how I want to keep it right now. So I'm going to cover this. I'm going to cover this off for about 2 minutes before I stir it to get it to the steam to penetrate through it and get it a little softened, and then I'll stir it, and this will take about 10 to 15 minutes because, as I said, you don't want to overdo it, and if you overdo it, there's no substance left in it for your body. So best bet is 10 to 15 minutes, and that's it. 10 minutes is what I do. You can go 15 if you want. So I'm going to cover this, and I'll come back with you guys, show you when I'm stirring it. And of course, you'll see the finished dish. What kind of tea I'm going to be having this with is some ginger tea. And I'll just show you the pack. Some tea bags. So there you are. Caribbean Dreams ginger tea bag. And I'll give you a look at what it looks like. Yeah. So you just pop one of these bad guys in a cup of tea, a cup of water, and sweeten to taste. You can use honey or sugar if you want, or sometimes I just drink it without sweetening it. It's good anyway. Okay guys, I'll see you in a bit. Okay guys, so this is about 5 minutes into the Callaloo. And as you know, or most of you may know, that the Callaloo makes its own water as it's being steamed. As you can see, I didn't add, oh, oops, sorry guys. Sorry. I didn't add any water to it, and as you can see, there's water there. So it makes its own liquid. Yep. While it's steaming. So what I'm going to do, this is almost cooked. So what I'm going to do now is give it another 5 minutes. I may add a little ketchup to it. It's not necessary, but I just may. So I'll be back with you guys in a bit. Okay guys, so we're back and it's about 4 minutes later and it's finished. I always do that. So I'm going to go ahead and let you guys see the finished dish. And that's my ginger tea boiling up. I'll turn it off right now also. Okay guys, so here's the finished dish. That's my callaloo and of course my brown bread. And this is my Sunday morning breakfast. Steamed callaloo and bread. And of course my ginger tea. And that's for hubby. Yep. So there you go. Don't you just love the look of that? Yeah. So there's your steamed callaloo and my brown slice of bread that I love so much. Keeping it healthy, prepared in my outside kitchen in Jamaica. So see you guys later. Yeah man, one love.